In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the shipping label not available error on Etsy in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. This error usually happens بسبب unsupported locations, incorrect addresses, or missing shipping details, and it can prevent you from buying or printing labels. Now, if you want to fix the shipping label not available issue on Etsy, here's what to do. Start by checking if shipping labels are supported in your region. Log in to your account on Etsy, go to Shop Manager, open Orders and Shipping, and try to get a shipping label. If the option isn't available, Etsy labels may not be supported in your country, so you'll need to use an external carrier. Next, verify the buyer's shipping address. Make sure the street, postal code, city, and country are complete and correct. If anything is missing or incorrect, contact the buyer and update the order details. After that, check your own shop address. Go to Settings, then Shipping Settings, and confirm your origin address is accurate, including postcode and country. Then, review your package details. Ensure the weight, dimensions, and package type are entered correctly, since invalid details can block label creation. Keep in mind that carriers reject incomplete or incorrect information, so even small mistakes can cause this error. That's it. By checking region support, addresses, and package details, you can quickly fix the issue and continue shipping your orders without delays.